Hello friends, so in this video we are going to check how we can update pages of our website based on whatever we have created. So let me first of all open the website's WP admin where we have to update the page. I will go to the home page because I want to update it. So in this example website we have this specific Astra WP Astra plugin for the theme and website creation, so we using that. And right now the thing is I need to find out the meta title, so I will update it here, and I want to update this one. I will update it here. So these are the meta title and meta description. We have this specific box because we are using SEO Press. You can have different plugin. If you have a rank math, the location of the meta title and meta description can be little bit different, but right now this is what we're doing. So this is my keyword, so I will enter that there. Now we have an H1, so this is our H1. So I want to see what kind of H1 we have. So I won't go with opener because it's door repair, so I think repair, service, admin, and garage, all words are there, so I won't change it. And in this one, customer have a specific requirement, they want to add those cities there, so in this text add these cities. So add new sentences if necessary. So now it's creating this version of this TLDR, and we got it, so we're gonna have it. And I want okay, so we just paste it here, it's fine. Now we can come down, and now we have certain red marks, so I will only fix the red marks, I won't fix anything else. So these are English words, so maybe UK English and US English are different, so that can be the reason. So we just fix that all. The red ones, blue ones we won't want to fix. So this is all for now. And now what we can do is we can create another section. So what we can do is we can go to the design library. I want a section, so let me see what kind of section can fit in to us. So maybe this one, yeah. So we are going to have this section added here, it's here. So now we can just copy this, and I can use Word HTML just to make sure we don't have any kind of CSS issues later. So I just use this one, and then I want to use choose. Okay, so Control Shift and V I will use here, and then I want to say content, and there is a width issue, so full width I can use, that's the point. And then I can say I can just get rid of it. Then we can have this one copied, and we can directly copy it here. And this doesn't look good when it's right align, so we can just left align everything. That's how we do it. I have a zoom minus, so I have fixed that, and this one is S2 in the size. We can still go to the title, and we can fix the typography to whatever we want. So I can just put in like this, and we can also remove the capital lock there. So writing style and transform, normalize. Yeah, it looks better now, right? I won't fix it, otherwise there would be more AI footprints. So I have added one of the para like this just to make it a little bit nicer. And then we can have is another container we can create. So where to place that container? Maybe we can place that container over to here. Okay, so we have this container, and then what we can do is we can add accordion here. So I can go there and can use accordion. Okay, so this is kind of accordion we have now. So we are done with this part, so we just remove that from here, and now we have these types of garage door we offer, and then we can have like this. I can just keep it like this, and now we cut this all and we want to paste it here. Okay, that's it. So now this is about garage door repair, and we want to update it, and then we want to review the page, how it looks now. Okay, it looks nice, and then we have entire content, very nicely done, perfect. We go to the second one, we pick one of a keyword and we paste it here, and then we cut entirely this part, paste it here. Then we say emergency garage door repair service in Edmonton, we paste it here, emergency garage door. Now it's about this part, so we just copy this and we just paste it here. That's it. So now residential commercial garage door, so maybe we can just put this as a heading, and then we can just cut it and we can just add it here. Then we can have installation services, yes, so maybe we can just add it here. Why we doing this? Because it's always good to have certain kind of important things noted, like a topic, and then user decide if they want to read, they can read. Service areas in Greater Edmonton, service areas, so we can just pick this keyword there. I think we need a couple of more of them, so we duplicate it once more. Now about this one, so we just copy paste it here, and then we wanna just cut entirely this part, and then we just paste it here. We don't have more accordion, so we can get rid of the empty ones, so we delete this one and we delete this one as well. Now this part is done, so we can just save it, and once it's saved, we wanna refresh the page and we wanna see how it looks now. It's look better, cool. Now this part is done. One thing we can do is we can go to the container, we can go to the style, spacing, and to this spacing we can have top and bottom having a 20, and then refresh. A slight gap would be there, but that's for good, so we should have that gap. Now it's look perfectly fine. What we do is we create another one container, we post it here, and into this container we can have one more box like this, and then what we can do is we can just pick this one like key insights, and we can just cut entirely this part, and I want these bullet to be out of accordion, so I can just post them like paragraph and I can just upload it. This way our page will look nicer and will have a little bit of content. It should look still better. So that's how we did it. And now this part is a little bit lengthy, I added it last time. What I can do is I can go there and then I can say generale, and then I can say, and box should be 1200, and we see this. So yeah, 1200 is the default width of the system. And then we can do one more thing is these are all merging to each other, so we can put up one extra enter key, and that way it will look nice now. So we refresh it. Yeah, it looks much better. These are our accordions, so they looks nicer, and this one is not bold. So what I can do is maybe I can go to this section here, and maybe I can just copy this style, and maybe I can just paste this style here. This is specific to this system, which is this Astra plugin. Astra, WP Astra have this feature of copy style sheet. Others also have, but I just try to cover this one maybe we can have another session for Elementor and other editor over the period of time as the time allows us. Now we can click over here onto this area, and we can say we want a specific thing here, and maybe we can have 40 this time and update it. So what we'll do is here we will have a margin, and that would make it more nice. So now this page is optimized, Cora optimized, and it also have all the features we need. I can do rinse and repeat the process for the other pages like the same way. Thank you very much. I see you in the next video. Namaskaram.